Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Today we got a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and what I'm going to do is show you how to replace the oil filter. Not the oil change, just the oil filter. You're going to say, what the heck? Why he want to show us how to change the oil filter? Well, you got to stay tuned and find out. And make sure, this is the month of October, make sure you got something pink on. I got my pink gloves on in support of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Alright, so let's get right to it. Coming up today on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, this is a very complicated thing. Alright, first of all, you're going to top of your engine where the V6 sign is at, and you're going to see a little emblem right here. You know that emblem looks like for the oil, but then you're going to see a little picture below it. Actually, that's a picture of the oil filter. Now to get to the oil filter, what you got to do, and it's a cartridge, what you got to do is put your fingers up under here, pop this cover off, put it to the side. Then you're going to have a 10mm bolt right there. So I'm going to use my cordless impact gun with a 10mm deep 3/8 drive socket, and we're going to get that bolt out of there. We'll be right back. All right guys, now to take this off, there's going to be 4 grommets. 1, 2, 3, and 4 on each corner. That's all you have to do is take this cover and pop it up just like that. And let me show you what I mean. You got the grommets 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's all they do is push down on these studs coming up out of here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we got other ones. I don't know what the heck those other ones for. Yeah, whatever. I don't know. Alright guys, now we can pretty much see, come on this side, you can see the covering of the oil filter right there. Now,
I gotta get closer. You can?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, there it is right there. Now, you can get this without having to remove this entire duct right here, and that's exactly what we're going to try. Now, let's get our tools to get this off. We'll be right back. Alright guys, here's your covering right here. Now you're going to need a 15/16 socket, or you can use a 24mm socket. And what I'm going to use is a 15/16 shallow 1/2" drive. Put it right up there. It fits perfect. Then what you're going to do, just in case you get a little oil down there, you want to take your rag and stick it around the front of it like that, because being that it's leaning towards this way, any oil is going to go that way, so you don't have to really worry about the back of it. Try to get that out of the way of the camera. Okay, the next thing you're going to do guys is get you a 12-inch 1/2" drive extension. That extension is going to fit just in there, just right up against the air tube. That's fine. Then you're going to get your Pittsburgh, your Harbor Freight 1/2" drive ratchet. Now just get a 1/2" drive ratchet guys, and you want to just slowly loosen that, taking that up. Okay, and once you get it really loose like it is right now, take your socket and extension off. Take your hand, and what you want to do is slowly get that to the final thread, pick it up, let the oil drain from it for a little bit. There's the filter, and you can see the oil dripping. Let's get our rag Put it up under it. All right, let's take this out and we'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. We got everything right here on our dirty pan because I already changed the oil and all. Now, when you do your oil change, you definitely want to get you a high quality oil filter. Do not go out there and get them cheap oil filters. And what we're going to be using is Federated Extended Life Oil Filter. This is a great name brand filter. And this is the part number, but usually you guys are going to go to the AutoZone or Advance or something like that. And in the back of this, here's all the interchange numbers. And have you noticed there is not STP up there? So please do not get a cheap oil. I shouldn't be putting STP down there, but don't get a cheap oil filter to go into your car. Also, when you get these oil filters, right here, there's a rubber O-ring that stops the oil from coming out and spilling on top of the engine. You want to make sure your new one will have that. And that's all you do is take a screwdriver, stick it between there, grab it, pull it off. That's garbage. Take notice that it goes on the big ring right there. The oil filter itself, just take it, twist it, and pop it right off. Just take notice of how the thing went in. You try to put it this way, you can't anyway. You gotta go the other way. All right, the next thing we do, take a rag, clean all that out. Make it look nice and good. Let's get our new oil filter. Take it out. Let's set that down to the side. Don't want to set it inside there. And inside the box is an O-ring. Just dab a little bit of the oil just to put it down in. The reason why you're doing this is because when you start to put this cap back in, you do not want this thing to be dry and bind up against anything, or it will tear, rip, or tear, or come out of the groove that you're about to put that in. Then you're going to have oil leaking all over the place. So we put that on, roll it down to the slots, make sure there's enough oil on that. Take your oil filter. Now, I don't know if you can see inside there.
The little piece in the middle?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, you just want to put this piece over that piece and snap it into place. Done. That's it. All right? Let's go over there and get ready to install this. Also, guys, you got a little O-ring right here. So just dab a little oil and put it around that. All right, let's go install this because there's some more important information, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're ready to install the filter in. We try to get you a look at the writing up here because some of you guys are going to find this really funny. You're going to know what I mean. First of all, you got to tighten this down to 25 Newton meters. And there's a message up here. Do not open when engine is running. A lot of you guys know exactly why I'm laughing about that. Let's get this thing in here. So we're going to go over here, lower this down. And notice I'm going backwards because I want to make sure I get those threads lined up perfectly, because this is plastic and you can easily cross thread it. All right, great. I got it going down. Now, I'm going to get my 15/16 socket, and this time I'm using a reducer, a 1/2 inch down to 3/8, because my torque wrench is a 3/8 drive. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to just slowly bring this down, let that O-ring seat in there. Now this thing is set down to 25 Newton meters. And guys, you know, majority of the time, I'll tell you in a minute, tighten it down till it stops a little bit more. But when you're talking about plastic in plastic, you definitely want to pull out that torque wrench. All right, so I'm ready. I got this down. Perfect. There it is. All right. We'll be right back. All right, guys. Now let's get our cover back on. Let's make sure our grommets line up with the studs. Get everything lined up. And then push it down. Great. Let's get our 10mm bolt. Set it in there. 10 millimeter deep, 3/8 drive, and this is not really tight because it's going into plastic. You can mess that up. So that's all I'm doing is bringing it down till it stops. Done. Last but not least, get our cover, stick it into the slot right there, bring it down, and then snap it into place. Job well done. We'll be right back.
Alright, so today we had a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited with a 3.6 engine, and we showed you how to replace, well, we showed you where it is and how to replace the oil filter. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Remember, this is October, so remember to wear pink. I got my pink gloves, my pink jacket, and my pink shirt, okay, to support Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.